Hey guys, welcome back out here to the garden. It's a beautiful morning. It's a sunny day. The sun is just coming up, and it's going to be about 20 degrees out today, which is perfect. It is early spring, middle of May. Excited about getting in the garden again today. We planted some stuff yesterday, but we're going to be putting parsnips in today with a long list of other things because this is the time of year we want things in the garden. Now, parsnips are a great vegetable. They're a member of the carrot family, believe it or not. They're a root vegetable. They're popular in ancient times, brought to North America by the first colonists. They're great for stews and you can fry them up. There's multiple different things that you can do with parsnips. I love parsnips, can't get enough of them. So we're going to plant a good row of them here today. They usually take about 105 days, believe it or not, to come to full maturity from being sown in the ground. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started. I've already drawn a row. We're going to plant them about a ½ inch below the surface, which remember is about half the distance between the tip of my thumb to the first knuckle. And we're going to plant them about every 3 inches. If we accidentally get a few seeds in there, we can thin them out. If we get an extra few seeds, what I'm trying to say is, and off a 3-inch spacing, we can thin them out once they germinate. But anyways, let's get planting. I'm going to show you them. These guys are pretty easy. The carrot seeds are normally very, very small. Parsnip seeds aren't as small. They're easy to get in there, placed a bit easier. So all we're going to do, get down here. You know what I mean? That's about every 2 to 3 inches. You just need to place one seed gently in the soil. I'm going to get rid of this. Now this soil is nice, fresh triple mix. You can see so there's some little bit of larger organic matter in it. We'll just pick that out of the way, but this has all been purchased through an amazing supplier we have. They bring truckloads of it to us here at our place. So all we have to do is we're going to finish the row. Just gently push the soil over the top, give it a gentle pat. And like I said, they want to be down about ½ inch, which is about this far. And remember to water them right after sowing them. We got to keep them damp until the seeds germinate, then water them as needed throughout the summer. Do not let them dry out. And like I said, they're going to take a little while. We're going to harvest these in the fall. And last but not least, remember to mark your rows, because planting all these beds, you forget where you put stuff.